All right, time for some Wednesday birthdays here in the 4 states, and we are going to begin in Pittsburgh with Ayla K. Ridenour, celebrating number 4 with love from Oma, Pop, and the family.
Brindley High School turning 10 years old this year in Stockton, Missouri. There's a note here from your family. Can't quite decipher it. Can you do that, Chris?
I do not know what that is.
Okay, well, your family wishes you love, Brindley. We do know that.
I think I might have figured it out. I think it's Love You, Brindley.
Oh.
That might be it. I'm not sure.
LYB.
Yeah. All right. Well, we also have Audrey Whitlow celebrating number 22. Love coming from your mama. Happy birthday, Audrey.
Okay, Brennan Burns turning 27 years old this year in Joplin. Happy birthday, love, Grandma and Grandpa.
And Jessica Anderson celebrating birthday number 30 in Oswego. And Jessica is getting married next month. Happy birthday.
Out in Liberal, Missouri, Chris Warren celebrating birthday number 39 this year.
And in Columbus, we've got Matt Plummer celebrating another year wiser. Happy birthday, Matt.
Ross Westerfelt also in the bus celebrating a birthday. Hope it's a great one, Ross.
And we've got John Roy Pesavento celebrating number 80 over in Chicopee. Happy birthday to you.
Keep on riding. Jim Cook turning 81 years old this year. Great picture there of Jim. Hope you have a great birthday.
And we've got Caleb and Rachel Morgan celebrating their 9th wedding anniversary this year. A very happy anniversary to the Morgans.
And it's 36 years of wedded bliss for the Thorntons in Thayer, Kansas. Congrats going out to Bruce and Tanya Thornton. Happy 36th anniversary.
And we've got another anniversary in Columbus. Ken and Helen Kelly celebrating their 56th. A very happy anniversary to you.
In Altamont, Kansas, Glenn Cunningham. Happy birthday.
And Linda Purdy celebrating a birthday over in Erie. Happy birthday, Linda.
Heather and Shane Schuberberger are celebrating their 20th anniversary. They're in Columbus.
And in McCune, we've got Bonnie Merritt celebrating a birthday. Happy birthday, Bonnie.
All right, and Bill Wells, we got you on our list today, too. Sorry we said your age wrong the other day. You are 96 years old. Happy birthday, Bill, in Crestline.
All right, that was a great list. Here's the only problem, though. You see this page right in front of you? That is one too many birthdays and anniversaries without any pictures. And we want pictures of birthdays and anniversaries. Tanya, where do they need to send them?
All you have to do is send them to this email address, all the details included with the picture. And don't forget the S on birthdays. Birthdays at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. You get great deals from local businesses. You also get a special birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So head on over to KOAMnewsnow.com, sign up for that birthday club today.